my spare tire out from under there. Spring is springing. It's getting warm out. It's a little overcast today, but it is time to take the top off the Bronco. So this company reached out and they said, hey, would you like to have our product in one of your videos? And I thought, ooh, 300-pound weight, suitable ceiling height lower than 9 feet. So I said, is this the way to lift the top off an early Bronco? I have no idea if this is gonna work. What are we if we don't try? Am I right? And so that is what we're gonna do today. So I'm gonna install this, show it how it properly should work, and then show if I can lift the top off my Bronco. So this is my current system. It's the old ratchet strap to the roof, up to a couple eye hooks that I have in the ceiling. But the biggest flaw for this system with the ratchet straps is when you release the tension on the ratchet strap, the roof just falls. That is the reason that I was looking for a new system. So there you go. Thing is pretty sweet, easy to install. If I was doing it again, I would not even use the little cardboard template. Just measure and make your marks. But yeah, went together pretty easily. So yeah, definitely feels pretty stout. Good construction, wire frame. So you don't want it. You want to evenly distribute the weight. You don't want to make it too hard on one side, or you know, put something in there that is gonna fall through or something like that. And what I like about it, you can see up there all the ropes. Man, they really designed that well to where they just kind of evenly distribute the weight, and the ropes stay. You got to make sure that when you put it all together, it doesn't get tangled. But that is that's really nice how they design that, and got some nice eye bolt here. It really feels very sturdy, and makes it, you know, makes storing stuff a whole lot easier. Now, I should be storing a lot of this stuff up there. That should be the thing that I do, and maybe one day I will. But today we're gonna see if it will hold the top of the Bronco and store that, because we all know That's the most important thing to store in your garage. All right, so it sits pretty far back, which I knew was gonna be the case, but the weight of the hardtop is in the back. It's not in the front. So I'm not too worried about that. So I'm gonna figure out a way to strap it down, but I'm pretty much like perfectly in the middle. What I think I'm gonna do is put 2 ratchet straps on the front and the back. I think that's gonna be the best way, and let the ratchet straps carry the weight of the top. Well, there you go. It works, and it seems pretty secure. Definitely need to get something other than just ratchet straps to hold it, you know, to the frame. This is the Rhino rack. I forget which rack this is, but I really like it. Got it from Tom's Off-Road. Definitely recommend that if you're doing this. But yeah, that works really nice. Now, if you were doing this and you didn't have a rack, I would not try to lift up from here. These will bow out pretty quick. So definitely come up with another way if you're trying to lift this without a Rhino rack or without some kind of rack, but that definitely works. And gonna fine tune it a little bit. I was even thinking about maybe running these through this channel. It doesn't totally line up, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with that, but need to come up with another solution other than the ratchet straps. So yeah, there you go. Great little upgrade if you're looking for a storage rack solution. Definitely recommend this one from Fleximount. It's the GL1 model. I'll put a link in the description where you can pick one up. What's interesting though is my progression through lifting the top off the Bronco. Started with a couple 2x4s under it, lifting it up, and then went to the hardtop using the ratchet straps. So yeah, it's nice now having something that it's a little bit easier to get the top on and off. And when I'm not using the top, I can lower it down, which is a big relief for me, not having my hardtop up in the air. But a lot of times though, I'll park my Bronco nose in under it. But yeah, I think there's a good solution, and easy. Just use the drill and you can lower it and raise it up and down. Pretty sweet. All right, there you go. Thanks guys for watching. See you next time.